rise up against me. Many saying of me that God will not deliver him. But you, Lord, you are a shield around me, my glory, the one who lifts my head high. I call out to the Lord, and he answers me from his holy mountain high. I lie down to sleep, awake again, 'cause the Lord sustains me. And I will not fear the tens of thousands assail me on every side. Arise, Lord, deliver me, my God. Strike my enemies on the jaw, break the teeth of the wicked. From the Lord comes deliverance. May your blessings be